Telnet naman, ginagamit natin to provide bidirectional interactive text-oriented communication facility using a virtual terminal connection. So, ginagamit natin to remotely access a certain device. Telnet yung application na gamit natin. We also use this to test a certain port sa isang remote device kung naka-open ba or naka-close. So, bigay tayo ng sample. So, mag-CMD tayo rito. Open tayo. Telnet 192.168.10.252. So, makikita nyo, Telnet is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. Bakit? Kasi kailangan natin i-enable to sa Windows. So, para i-enable natin to sa Windows, we just have to go to Control Panel. Okay. Just click on Default Apps. Ay, hindi pala. Apps and Features pala. Okay. Then, click on Optional Features. Then, hanapin natin yung Telnet. Tama ba? Hindi. Mas magandang puntahan natin sa Control Panel na lang. Okay. Yan. So, dito, you just have to look for, asan na ba yun? Para ma-enable siya. Programs and Features. Then, turn Windows Features on and off. Maglalabas siya rito. And you can see here, yung Telnet, hindi siya naka-check. Kasi by default, yung Windows 10 is hindi na siya masyadong gumagamit ng Telnet. Actually, bihira na tayong gumamit ng Telnet. But you have an option to enable it. So, para ma-enable natin siya, check lang natin yan. And that would install the Telnet application. Built-in na siya sa Windows, so you don't have to install anything. So, antay lang natin siya ma-enable. Then, we can now do Telnet. Okay. Antay natin siya matapos. Yan. Okay. So, pag nag-Telnet tayo dito, 192.168.10.252, makikita ninyo, susubukan niyang kumonect. Pero, mag-fail siya. Bakit? Hindi nakabukas yung port 23 doon sa IP address na 192.168.10.252 na sinusubukan ko i-access. Now, bakit hindi siya bukas? Kasi by default, Telnet is a weak application. Pag kumukonekta ka using this app itself, yung transmission ng data mo is hindi encrypted. So, it opens you up to vulnerability sa hacking. So, kasi pag binasa nila yung Telnet data stream mo, okay, pag nakita nilang or nasubukan nilang ma-capture yon, lahat ng sinesend mong commands, okay, to the remote device is naka-plain text. Kaya wala na masyadong gumagamit ito. We seldomly use this one siguro to test certain ports. So, makikita nyo, ulitin ko ulit, pero ibang port lang susubukan ko i-access, makikita nyo bukas siya. Ano ibig sabihin nito? This port is also 8443 na port nitong 192.168.10.252 is naka-open. Ibig sabihin, an application is using this one. So we plainly use na lang Telnet for testing kung bukas ba yung port ng isang computer or isang server or nakasarado siya. Hindi siya enabled. So that is Telnet.